Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome to Whitewash Studio. So, episode number 34 is coming out this Thursday, and it's all about the tiny house. This is something that I've been interested in for a while now, and I wanted to design a tiny house for you guys and give you some plans that you can maybe possibly build for yourself. If you want to build one for either everyday living or if you're more interested in a vacation home, then these will be some plans that you can look through and see if you like. And if you do like them, then maybe you end up building. I wanted to take you to the drawing board and walk you through some of the concepts behind this tiny house design, which you'll be able to download after episode number 34 comes out on Thursday. I think it's the 19th of March. So when that episode comes out, you can head over to whitewashstudio.com, sign up for the newsletter, and you'll be sent an email with a direct download link where you can download all the drawings, the construction drawings for this tiny house project. So let's get right into the drawings, and I will show you what it's all about. So, guys, just to get into the drawing here, the tiny house is I'll show you what the typical tiny house usually looks like. The typical tiny house is usually rather long and narrow. They have a front porch with a door that you enter up some stairs, typically into a living room, with a kitchen back here and a bathroom here, with usually some kind of ladder up to a loft area up above. And this space is generally 2 stories or 1.5 stories. So if you were to cut a section through this, you would see that you've got this bottom floor, the upper floor, which usually has a roof that cuts into that. So you've got your bed up here, and you've got a little bit of headroom, not much, not a full height, and you've got stairs, like usually a steep ladder that takes you up those. So the concept that I've come up with is a little bit different than this. So what I've decided to do is take a step back from the loft and do a design where you approach from the side and you walk up a series of stairs, because I do feel like it's good to elevate these houses. And so you enter onto a deck, like a wood deck area here. So you walk up some stairs and you come to an outside deck. And then what I've done is I've got 2 doors here that are rather large doors, and those doors will swing all the way open so that they fold flat against the face of the house. And inside, and I know I'm drawing kind of small, let me check the camera to make sure that's even on the screen. Yeah, it's on there. So so this is your main area, and what I've done is I'm putting a bed, actually a larger bed than that, in here. So this is your main living area, and then what I've done is I've built in cabinets, and this will be the oven, stove top. This will be your kitchen sink. This will be your refrigerator. And then on this side, I've built in a desk area with a chair. Actually stops short, and then there's another lounge chair in the corner here. So this is your main living room and bedroom space. I mean, I guess it could be possible that you build in a Murphy bed here, flip this bed up, and you've got that whole space to deal with. But the key to this is because a lot of tiny houses have really tiny bathrooms, and so I prefer to have a larger bathroom. So what I did was I put in 2 pocket doors here, which open back into this wall like that. And once you enter in to this space, you've got a rather large bathroom with a full-size tub, a toilet, and a vanity here. So you end up with this toilet's a little out of scale. So you end up with a large bathroom that is actually usable in this tiny house. And then to gain a little bit of storage on the back side of this bathroom, you would exit out and come back into this side, and you've got a closet with your hanging clothes, and of course that sliding pocket door there. So what this would look like in elevation, if you were standing here looking at it this way, is I've decided to build this up on stilts. And so you've got the deck portion here, and this would be your floor, and then you come up and build a roof. Maybe we put in a window here. So we've got a large window over your desk, and then of course this is where the stairs come up here, and maybe grade is doing something like this. So put in some supports here, line this up, this column line up with this wall, and maybe we brace this a little bit so that your deck here is braced. And put a little railing in if you feel like you need a railing, then you can put a little railing in. And this is the main concept design of the tiny house. So with all this being open and larger bathroom, storage space, it's everything you would need in a tiny cabin, and nothing you don't. There will be more detailed plans in the download, so if you head over to whitewashstudio.com, you will be able to sign up for the newsletter and download a set of your very own tiny house drawings. So thanks guys for watching. I hope that you found this interesting and that you are excited to get your copy of these plans. whitewashstudio.com, and you can go and download your set of these drawings so you can get started on your construction build right away. And this is just, one little giveaway for episode number 34 of the Whitewash Studio podcast. And so just kind of wanted to add a little bit of excitement to this upcoming episode. Hopefully in the future I'll be giving away a lot more stuff, and this is just the first of many giveaways to come. So I hope you go over to the website, and if you're already signed up for the newsletter, you'll be getting this information as well sent directly to you on Thursday. You'll probably be the first ones to get it. So be on the lookout for that, and I will see you guys next week.